So this is how you set up and use scan to email for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up and use scan to email for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 as well as 8130 printer series. So from the control panel, let's go to scan. Select scan to email. We need to select instructions to receive step-by-step instructions for adding an account or creating a shortcut. Let's go to instructions. We can send the instructions through email or we can print. So this is the instructions to enable scan destinations on this printer. Following the instructions, we need to set up shortcuts through the HP Smart app. So let's start up HP Smart. So we have already added the HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 printer series on the HP Smart app. Select shortcuts. Let's add shortcut. Let's create our own shortcut. You can send our files by email. So we'll select this. So you can edit the subject as well as the body text. This tech tips email is the one that we are currently signed in using the HP Smart app. So to set up scan to email, you need to enter the destination email over here. So you'll send it to another test account, which is the testtechTipsOutlook.com. So once you have keyed in the destination email, the next step is to select the file type. You can scan to email as an image or as a basic PDF. We'll select basic PDF. Finally, you need to have a shortcut name. We'll call it email test outlook mail. Remember to save your shortcut. And you're all set. Let's head back to the control panel. So this is a 2-page document that we are going to scan. We will scan using the automatic document feeder. Next, let's scan to email. Select scan to email. We're going to email test outlook. Let's scan. Your scan to email is done. You can add additional pages if needed. For now, we'll select Finish. Next, let's go to our email. This is the Test Tech Tips Outlook email, and you can see there's an email from the printer. Let's take a look. So we have just received from our printer, which is the Test Tech Tips Gmail account. Let's take a look at the document. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. So this is how you set up and use Scan to Email for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8120 or 8130 printer series.